it's Ro. Welcome to another Nerdy Nummies. Today we are making something Star Wars themed. I got so many requests from you guys to make something themed, and I thought, we've made so many things. We've made cake pops, we've made popsicle lightsabers, we've made pizzas. We have made all of the things over the years, but there's something that I've always wanted to make, but we haven't, and that is blue and green milk. That's right. Super classic and super yummy. A little bit ago, I traveled to Disney World. I went to their Star Wars Galaxy's Edge and I went to the milk stands and they had blue and green milk there and they were delicious. And I thought, let's make this recipe. Today we are gonna recreate both of those, and this recipe is really cool because they are both dairy free, and at the parks they use like a rice milk, and we're gonna be using coconut and rice milk as well. So if you love Star Wars and you've always wanted to make one of their classic beverages, today's the day. Let's get started. We are gonna start with the blue milk. In front of me, I have a bunch of ingredients, and I'm gonna be putting all those ingredients and the measurements in the description down below, so if you wanna follow along and make this recipe, you can. We are starting with the blue milk because it is the most iconic, the most classic, and that's because this drink was seen in the very first Star Wars, A New Hope. And I know it's a little confusing because technically it's like Star Wars 4, but that's how they released it. They release it in that order. So anyway, long story short, the first Star Wars ever, Luke Skywalker is seen drinking blue milk. Iconic, classic. When I went to Disneyland and tasted their recipe, it basically tasted like an unspirited pina colada. So that is what I recreated. Using a powerful blender, we're gonna be crushing ice later, so using a powerful blender, we're gonna pour in all of our ingredients. You're gonna pour in some fresh pineapple chunks. Oh yeah! Rice milk, then some coconut milk. Yum, 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 yum. Oh yeah. Oh, what's this? A little bit more coconut? Oh yeah, this is coconut cream. Just scoop it in. That was the funniest sound. Oh, I love it. Oh, I just want to rub this on my face and in my hair. Yum. Last food ingredient is the pineapple juice. Once all those ingredients are inside, I'm just gonna pop on the lid, give it a quick blend. Now, to make this blue, I'm gonna add a little bit of coloring. Add a couple drops of white and a couple drops of blue. Boop. Doesn't take much because it's a very light color. That's what I love about that. Then we're gonna mix it again and then add our ice. I can't sing if you like pina coladas, but I do. Last step to making this, last step to recreating this drink is adding our ice, and this is gonna make it like a tropical slushy. Also, a side note, I am adding the ice last because if you mix in coloring with your beverage while it's cold, it doesn't mix as well. It looks a little chunky and it doesn't spread evenly. So you wanna do this first and add your ice last. Woo! This also reminds me of that drink, Stephanie, the Blue Hawaiian.
Yeah.
Ooh! Oh, Hawaii, take me. Woo! I added a lot of ice to get it the perfect slushiness. And then you just pour a cup and ready to serve. Do-do-do-do. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This recipe makes 4 drinks and 4 full drinks. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. Oh, it's so tropical. I'm in a Hawaii vibe mood now. Tatooine who? I'm going to Hawaii. Oh, that's great. Next recipe is for the green milk in Star Wars, and this is a new recipe. We didn't see green milk until Luke Skywalker, he like self-imposes his like exile on an island. He's all sad. It's in the new movie of Star Wars. Not the new movie, but the new movie. The Last Jedi. It's in Star Wars Episode 8, and he's alone on the island. He's being all emo and sad or whatever, and he's like milking his like little sea cow creature. I don't know who it was or whatever, and he's got green milk, and everyone was like, ew, but if you think about it, if you drink milk from cows, it's the same thing, everybody. But when I went to Disneyland, this recipe did not taste like a pina colada, but it still tasted really tropical, and I kind of identified different flavors. I tasted like passion fruit, and I think I tasted a little orange juice. So I made another recipe that was similar to the one that I found at Disneyland. And again, this recipe is dairy free. We're gonna be using rice milk and coconut milk. In a powerful blender, add your coconut milk, rice milk, orange juice, passion fruit juice, a little bit of corn syrup to add a little bit of sweetness to this, and mix together. Whoa! That is much easier than milking a sea goat. What were those things? I forgot their name. The creature that makes the green milk kind of looks like a walrus and a person, because she's sitting upright. The ladies make that milk, and she looks like this little walrus. I don't know, she's cute though. Then for color, add a few drops of green and yellow. Whoa, cool. Then last but not least, once again, add your ice, and you can use as much as you'd like. I start with a bowl full, and then if I want to, I add more and more just to get whatever slushy texture you like. Okay. Whoa. Oh, geez. Maybe two. Whoa. Oops. Still easier than milking one of those sea walruses. Or maybe not. Whoa, the power. To screw a lightsaber, this blender is a bad boy. I mean, I blew out the engine on 2 of my other blenders, so I got this one. And this one has not let me down, I can tell you. This is great. All right, this drink is ready to party. That's my wash machine. It sings me a little song when it's done, because somebody peed on my blanket. It was Blueberry Muffin. She's 80% potty trained, but we're just really waiting for that last percentage. Whoa, yes! And here we go. Oh, that's good. That's, yeah, okay, I don't want to throw shade to Disneyland's recipe developer, but this is better than Disneyland's. I think my blue milk is about even. It has that delicious pina colada-ness. I think that they're even, but this one's better. That's good. And ta-da! There you have it. We made blue and green milk from Star Wars. I really hope you guys enjoyed these recipes. I had so much fun making them. These recipes are great if you're having like a Star Wars themed get together or a birthday party. And this one is just so iconic. Every time I look at it, I just can't not think about the first time I watched Star Wars with my dad and with my family. It's just the first thing I saw on the screen. Luke drinking this blue milk, and I thought, that is so weird. What is he drinking? And now finally I got to make a recipe based on it. I'll be posting pictures and the recipes down below and all over social media. And remember, these recipes are dairy free. I use rice milk and coconut milk. So if any of you are not able to have dairy, you can still enjoy these treats. They also taste very similar to the drinks that you'll find in Star Wars Galaxy Edge at Disneyland or Disney World, but in my opinion, this one's better. Also, if you have any other ideas for any other nerdy nummies, please let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will do my best to make it happen. And if you at home make these drinks for a party or get together or for yourself, please tag me because I love to see your food creations. It just makes me happy. It makes my day. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. All right, thanks again. Bye, you guys.